Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this Pringles can into a pencil box. So let's continue with this. Here I have a paper, so you can see this is light blue, this is dark blue, and then all the way going to purple. So we'll continue with this. So here we have this. We have to take off the cap first. You see this ring, guys? This ring. So we have to cover this whole Pringles can with glue. So let's continue with this. Let's make this all first open up. So continue with this. Keep going. You guys can use hot glue or tape even, it's your choice. I'm using glue stick because it does not, you cannot notice it. So let's start sticking it. The paper should come under the ring. This is important, guys. This is important in this. If it is not coming under the ring, it won't look good. It won't close. Let's continue this. Then we'll cover this part with glue to close it. Let's continue. So I have done that. Let's close this up.
Continue.
So guys, as we have the scissors over here, we are going to glue this back because it's still opening. So we have the glue. We're going to cover this with glue over here. So let's close this. Now this is sealed. Now you can see this is coming excess. So we will cut this excess off. And the scissors. Cutting the excess off. So guys, we have it now. It's all complete. We have cut it from down. See, it's all clear, straight. It's all together. So bye. So guys, subscribe, like, and share this video. See you next time.